Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Oh, hear the old songs calling. Hear the wisdom in the wind. Generations before us still guiding the way. One love. Me hear a voice inside the silence, like a whisper from the past, telling stories of the journey, of the memories that last. Me feel the strength of those before us, who walked roads we never knew, carrying dreams and carrying hope, so we could make it through. Me see the rivers and the mountains, me see the oceans and the trees. Every part of this creation carry messages in the breeze. Me learn that life is like a circle, everything return again. Every lesson from the elders help us rise above the pain. When you feel lost in the darkness and you cannot find a way, listen to the wisdom around you, let it guide you through the day. When the journey become difficult and the burden feel too strong, remember all the strength behind you that has carried you along. The song of the ancestors still echoing in the land, carrying love and wisdom, passing through every hand. The song of the ancestors still living in our heart, teaching us about unity and where the journey starts. Keep the fire burning, keep the message alive, with love and faith inside us, oh, our spirit will survive. See the elders by the fire, sharing stories through the night, speaking words of understanding, showing wrong from right. Me see the children listening closely, learning lessons from before, building bridges for tomorrow, opening a better door. We see the farmers on the hillside, working underneath the sun, with patience and dedication, until the harvest come. We see the people standing together when the difficult times appear, showing love and compassion, removing every fear. When the reggae drums start beating and the bass line start to move, feel the power of the rhythm, feel the spirit in the groove. Every melody tell a story, every lyric carry light, every song reminded people to continue with the fight. From the island to the whole world, let the vibration travel far, let the message of love shine like a bright and peaceful star. Me walk beneath the evening sky now, watching stars begin to glow, thinking about the roads behind me and the lessons me know. Me carry forward all the wisdom like a treasure in my hand, trying to build a better future for the children of the land. Me no forget where me come from, me no forget the roots below, because a tree without foundation can never truly grow. Like the drum beat of generations, like the waves upon the shore, the stories of the people will continue evermore, like the flame that keeps on burning. passion as the key. Let the future hold the promise of a better destiny. The song of the ancestors still singing through the years, bringing hope and bringing courage, trying every tear. The song of the ancestors forever in our soul, reminding every generation that together we are whole. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, through the struggle and the pain, we keep the wisdom living again and again. Yeah, yeah. Old songs calling, old songs calling. Roots growing, spirit living, never forget the journey. One love forever, Rastafari. Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Every dream is like a seed, every heart is like a garden. Plant love, watch it grow. One love. Me walk through the garden in the morning light, see the flowers opening after the night, feel the breeze moving gently through the trees, hear the earth singing with the birds and the bees. Me think about the dreams we carry inside, all the hopes that we never hide. Some dreams take time to blossom and grow, like a river that take time to flow. Me remember when the road was uncertain, when me couldn't see behind the curtain, but patience and faith helped me understand. Everything grow according to Jah plan. Me plant kindness wherever me go, cause good energy always return and show. A little love can brighten a day and help somebody find their way. When you feel like the seed not growing and the waiting feel too long, keep watering your dreams with faith, keep believing you are strong. When the seasons start to change and the weather come around, remember every flower bloom when the right time can be found. The garden of dreams, where hope come alive, where every heart can flourish and every spirit survive. The garden of dreams, growing under the sun, a place where love and unity can bring everyone as one. Keep planting love now, keep spreading peace everywhere, because the seeds we leave behind us show the world how much we care. Hey, me see the farmer with the soil on his hands, working hard across the beautiful lands, knowing every harvest start with a seed and every dream begin with a need. Me see the child with imagination, building castles from inspiration, looking at the sky with hopeful eyes, dreaming of reaching beyond the skies. Me see the elders sharing stories full of wisdom and memories, teaching that the greatest treasure is a heart filled with generosity. Me see the people standing together through the sunshine and the rain, helping one another forward, turning struggles into strength again. When the reggae drums start beating and the bass line start to sway, feel the garden of the rhythm growing brighter every day. Every song is like a flower Let the music plant a seed. Let the message of love and kindness give the world what it need. Me stand inside the garden sunset, watching colors paint the sky, thinking about the dreams before me and the reasons me still try. Me know life will have some seasons, some will bring a little rain, but without the rain and struggle, flowers cannot grow again. So me walk with appreciation, with compassion as me guide, carrying love and understanding deep and strong inside, like the seed beneath the earth, waiting for the perfect day, like the flower reaching sunlight, finding beauty on the way. May the children plant more kindness, may the future bloom with peace, may the garden of humanity grow with love that never ceases. The garden of dreams still growing every day, through the storms and through the sunshine. It will never fade away. Oh, the garden of dreams forever in our heart. Every dream begins with courage. Every journey has a start. With your love beside us and hope leading the way, we keep planting good tomorrow, starting today. Yeah, seeds growing, dreams flowing, hearts glowing. Plant love, one love forever, Rastafari. Yeah, 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 Rastafari. From the valley to the mountain top, from the earth to the sky, the spirit's still alive. One love. Me climb through the hills in the morning, with the sunrise upon my face. Hear the wind whisper softly, feel the peace inside the place. The mountains have a story written deep within the stone, teaching every traveler that strength is found alone. Me remember all the footsteps, all the roads me had to cross. Every victory was a blessing, every struggle taught a lesson. Me no fear the path before me, cause me know the journey through. Every mountain that me climbed up bring me closer to the view. Hey, when the hill become too steep, no, and your strength begin to fade, remember every giant mountain was built from drops of rain. When the wind blow cold around you and the road become unknown, keep the faith inside your spirit, you will never walk alone. The spirit of the mountains calling from the sky, teaching hearts to keep on rising, teaching dreams to fly. Eh, the spirit of the mountains standing strong and free, a symbol of endurance living inside me. Keep climbing, keep believing, never stop your way. Oh, every peak have a purpose, every dawn bring a new day. We see the people in the valley working hard beneath the sun, building homes and building futures, until the work is done. Me see the children by the hillside, playing where the rivers flow, dreaming dreams beyond the clouds now, waiting for their time to go. grow. You see the elders with their wisdom, like the ancient trees around, sharing words of love and guidance, keeping roots deep in the ground. We see the community together, helping hands from near and far, showing that the strength of people can shine brighter than a star. When the reggae drums start beating and the bass line start to roll, feel the mountains in the rhythm, feel the music touch the soul. Every melody carry stories, every beat carry a prayer, every voice can bring together people everywhere. From the islands to the mountains, from the rivers to the sea, let the vibration of love and kindness set every spirit free. We stand upon the mountain evening, watching shadows cross the land, thinking about the road behind me and the blessings in our hand. Every challenge was a teacher, every moment made me strong. Every time me thought me falling, Jah remind me I belong. So me walk into tomorrow with a peaceful heart and mind, knowing what is meant to find me will arrive at the right time. Like the mountain face the weather and remain forever tall, like the river find the ocean, we can overcome it all. Like the eagle spread its wings now and fly above the trees. May the world find more compassion, may every heart find peace. The spirit of the mountains still living in me, through the storms and through the sunshine, it keeps me standing free. The spirit of the mountains will never fade away. It guides me through the darkness into a brighter day. With your love beside me and hope inside my soul, me keep climbing higher until me reach me goal. Yeah. Mountains rising, spirit shining, faith surviving, keep climbing, one love forever. Rastafari. Yeah, Rastafari. Every step of a lesson, every day of a blessing. Give thanks, one love. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Me wake up when the morning light a shine, give thanks for the gift of another time. Hear the birds singing sweet melody, feel the peace that surround me. Me know life is a journey with many turns. With every mistake there is something to learn. The road may be rough, the road may be long, but faith keep me moving strong. Me have seen the rain fall on the ground, seen the lost find a way back around, seen the broken heart find a reason smile. After walking many miles, me carry hope like a flame in me hand, walking forward with a better plan. Cause every sunrise that touch the sky tell me dreams can still fly. When the burden feel heavy on your shoulder and you wonder if you can go on, remember every river keep flowing, even when the journey long. When the clouds cover the sunshine and you cannot see the way, hold on to the found me in the field, working hard with the heart of steel, planting seeds beneath the sky, waiting for the harvest time arrive. Me see the children playing together, dreaming dreams beyond tomorrow, holding on to imagination, even through the joy and sorrow. Me see the elders sharing wisdom, stories from the years gone by, teaching patience and compassion like the stars up in the sky. Me see the people helping people when the road become too steep, showing love and understanding, promises we need to keep. When the reggae drums start beating and the bass line start to flow, feel the vibration of the island, feel the positive spirit grow. Every guitar string tell a story, every rhythm carry peace, every song can touch a heart and bring a little release. From the mountains to the ocean, from the village to the town, let the sound of love and unity lift everybody up around. We stand beneath the evening sunset, watching colors fill the sky, thinking about the many blessings and the reasons me still try. Me no worry about tomorrow, cause me know life have a way. Every challenge bring a lesson, every night must meet the day. So me walk with gratitude, with forgiveness in my soul, knowing love and faith together can help us reach our goal. Like the seed beneath the soil, waiting for the time to grow. Like the river through the valley, finding where it needs to go. Like the eagle in the heavens, flying higher every day. May we all find strength and courage as we travel on the way. The blessings span the way, still following we path through the sunshine and the rainfall, through the future and the past. The blessings span the way, forever in how we are. Every ending bring a beginning, every finish bring a start. With your love beside us and the rhythm in our soul, we keep moving forward until we reach the goal. Yeah, yeah. Blessings falling, hearts calling, dreams growing. Give thanks always, one love forever. Rastafari. Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Yeah. From the shoreline to the mountains, from the sunrise to the moonlight, every journey leave a mark, one love. Me walk along the shoreline early morning, with the sun beneath me feet. Hear the ocean tell a story, with a rhythm calm and sweet. The waves know all my struggles, know the battles me overcome, know the dreams inside my spirit and the places me come from. Me remember all the seasons, all the changes life bring through. Every high and every low, no, help me find a better view. Me no fear the road before me, cause me know me not alone. Like the ocean keep on moving, me will find my way back home. When the storm come from the distance and the sky begin to change, keep the courage in your heart now. Don't let fear control your way. When the waves become much higher and the journey seems too long, through the tide, through the sunshine and the rainfall, it always by my side. The ocean know my story, every dream and every scar. It remind me to keep moving, no matter where me are. Like the waves that keep on flowing, like the wind that travels free. The spirit of the ocean will forever live in me. Me see the fisherman at sunrise, with the boat upon the sea, working hard with determination, living humble, living free. Me see the children by the water, laughing underneath the sun, building castles in the sun now, dreaming of what they'll become. Me see the elders by the harbor, sharing stories from the past, teaching younger generations, oh, if we make good memories last. Me see the people coming closer, helping when somebody fall, showing love and understanding that is straight above it all. When the reggae drum start beating and the bass line start to roll, feel the ocean in the rhythm, feel the music touch the soul. Every song become a message, every note become a prayer, every voice can bring some comfort, every heart can show some care. From the Caribbean waters to the corners of the earth, let the sound of love remind us of every person's worth. Me watch the sunset by the ocean, see the colors fade away, think about the many blessings that me receive every day. Life is like the changing ocean, sometimes peaceful, sometimes wild, but the heart that keep believing can stay hopeful like a child. So me carry love and patience and forgiveness in my heart. Every wave that reach the shoreline remind me every day can start. Like the lighthouse in a darkness, standing strong beside the sea, may the light of hope and kindness always guide humanity. Like the river meet the ocean, like the stars fill up the night, may we walk together forward, following the path of light. The ocean know my name, still calling through the years, through the laughter and the struggles, through the happiness and tears. The ocean know my story and the journey me have made. Every wave carry a blessing, every memory never fade. With your love beside me always, and the rhythm in me, me will follow the ocean spirit forever and endlessly. Yeah, ocean calling, waves rolling, heart flowing, keep the spirit alive. One love forever, Rastafari. Yeah, yeah, Rastafari. Through the wind, through the rain, the fire still burning. One love. Me wake up with a fire in my spirit, a flame that nobody can take. Through the struggles and the battles, me keep learning from the road me take. Me have seen the days of darkness, when the future wasn't clear, but the voice inside me heart say, keep moving, don't live in fear. We remember all the moments come too steep. Only vision in your heart, all the promises you keep. When the storm clouds gather near you, and the waves begin to roll, remember the fire within you that is living in your soul. The fire still burns deep inside me heart. To the changes and the struggles, we will never fall apart. Hey, the fire still burning, lighting up the night. With your love and determination, we will always find the light. Hey, keep the flame alive, no. Let the spirit never fade. Every dream worth fighting for, every promise worth the wait. We see the people and the struggle, still them wake up every day, finding courage in a tomorrow, finding strength along the way. Me see the hands that keep on working, building dreams from little things. Me see hearts that keep believing, waiting for the joy life brings. Me see the youth them with ambition, looking toward the rising sun, knowing every great achievement starts before the race is won. Me see the elders with their wisdom like a river flowing deep, giving lessons and reminders of the promises we keep. When the reggae drums start beating and the bass line start to shake, feel the power of the rhythm, feel the energy awake. Every guitar note tell a story, every drum they carry truth, passing down the inspiration from the old ones to the youth, from the island to the nations. Let the positive vibration fly, let the message of love and peace reach the corners of the sky. Me stand beneath the stars at midnight, watching moonlight on the sea, thinking about the road before me and the person me was meant to be. Every struggle was a teacher, every failure was a guide. Every challenge that came before me helped me grow from deep inside. No, me walk with appreciation, with forgiveness in my heart, knowing every brand new morning gives another chance to start. Like the phoenix from the ashes, like the flower after rain, every soul can find renewal, every heart can rise again. Yeah, like the tree that faces storms now, still reaching for the sky. Me will keep the fire burning, and my dreams will never die. Let the children keep believing, let them follow what is true. Let the world become more loving, starting with me and you. Oh, the fire still burning, stronger every day, stronger every day. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, me will find another way. Oh, the fire still burning, forever in me, a symbol of hope and courage, a spirit running free through the journey and the changes, through the laughter and the pain. Me keep the flame alive now. Again and again, yeah. Fire glowing, heart knowing, spirit growing. Keep the flame alive. One love forever, Rastafari.
Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Tomorrow carry a promise, every sunrise carry a blessing. Keep believing, one love. Me walk through the valley with hope in my heart, knowing of a brand new start. The road may bend and the hills may rise, but me keep looking toward the open skies. Me remember the nights when the struggle was near, when me had to fight against doubt and fear. But every challenge that came along helped me discover my spirit strong. Me see the rain falling down on the ground, but after the storm, sunshine come around. Nature teach me to never give in, because every ending can begin again. Me carry the dreams that me hold inside, with faith as me strength and love as me guide. No matter how far the journey, baby, me believe in the future me want to see. When the road ahead look uncertain and you wonder what tomorrow bring, remember the bird that leaves the nest and learn how to spread its wings. When the heart feel tired and weary and the mountains seem too tall, keep the faith alive within you, cause hope can conquer all. The promise of tomorrow is calling out our name. A brighter day is waiting after every storm and rain. The promise of tomorrow still shining like the sun, a new beginning waiting for everyone. Yeah. Keep moving, keep believing, let your dreams continue grow. The seeds of love and kindness will bloom wherever you go. Yeah. Me see the people in the village sharing love from heart to heart, helping each other through the journey even when life get hard. Me see the workers every morning giving everything they can, building hope for future generations with two strong and caring hands. Me see the youth them with ambition eyes looking toward the sky, knowing every great achievement starts with someone willing to try. Yeah. Me see the elders passing wisdom, stories from the days before, teaching patience and forgiveness, opening another door. When the reggae drums start beating and the bass lines start to sound, feel the positive vibration spreading love all around. Every guitar string tell a story, every rhythm carry truth, every song become a message passing wisdom to the youth. From the island to the nations, let the music travel far, let the world remember always every person is a star. Me stand beneath the moonlight, watching waves upon the shore, thinking about the many blessings and the lessons from before. Me don't know what tomorrow bring now, but me trust the road ahead with gratitude and determination. Me will walk where just left. Me choose peace over anger, choose kindness every day, because one small act of goodness can brighten someone's way. Like the tree that keeps on growing through the wind and through the rain, like the river that keeps flowing, finding sunshine once again. Me will keep the fire burning, keep the vision in our sight, cause the darkest night must finish when the morning brings the light. Let the children dream tomorrow, let them rise and let them shine. Let the world be filled with love now, one heart at a time. The promise of tomorrow still living in our soul, through the changes and the struggles, it helps us reach our goal. Oh, the promise of tomorrow, forever shining bright, guiding every step we're taking through the darkness into light. With your love beside us and hope leading the way, we will keep brighter day. Yeah. Tomorrow calling, dreams growing, hearts glowing. Keep the faith alive. One love forever. Rastafari.
Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Yeah. Every mountain have a story. Every journey have a lesson. Keep climbing. One love. Me wake up with faith in my spirit. See the sunrise touch the land. Another day to chase the vision. Another blessing in my hand. Me know the road ahead not easy. Me know the hills can't test my strength. But every step that me keep taking bring me closer to the end. Me remember all the hard times, all the moments me felt weak. But the courage deep inside me helped me find the strength to seek. Every scar became a story. Every tear became a guide. Every challenge made me stronger. Every storm helped me provide. When the mountains stand before you and the top seem far away, keep the faith inside your heart, no. Keep believing every day. When the wind blow cold against you and the paths become unclear, know the strength that lives within you will remove every fear. The mountain of faith, me climbing higher every day. With Jah love beside me footsteps, me will find me way. The mountain of faith, no valley can hold me down. Even when the road get rocky, me will stand firm on the ground. Keep rising, keep believing. Keep the fire in your soul. Every mountain can be conquered when your heart is strong and bold. Me see the people on the journey, walking roads they never know, carrying dreams inside their hearts now, waiting for their flowers grow. Me see the worker every morning, giving everything they can, building hope for future generations with two hard-working hands. Me see the child with imagination, looking far beyond the sky, knowing every great achievement starts with someone willing to try. Me see the elder sharing wisdom like a river running deep, giving lessons to remember, giving promises to keep. When the reggae drums start beating and the bass line start to play, feel the power of the rhythm driving worries far away. Every song become a message, every beat become a prayer. Every voice can bring some healing when somebody needs some care. From the island to the world now, let the positive sound rise. Let the love between the people reach beyond the skies. Me stand up on the mountain hillside, looking back at where me came. See the roads that tried to stop me, but me still remain the same. Me carry all the lessons with me and the blessings from before, knowing every closed up doorway led me to another door. So I'm walking to tomorrow with a peaceful heart inside, knowing Jah will keep protecting every step along the ride. Like the eagle in the heavens,
Let the children hold their visions. Let them never lose their way. Let the light of hope surround them every night and every day. The mountain of faith still calling out my name. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, me will rise again. The mountain of faith standing strong and tall, with love and determination, me will overcome it all. Through the struggle, through the victory, through the journey and the pain, me keep climbing with Jah beside me again and again. Yeah. Mountain waiting, faith growing, spirit rising. Keep climbing, one love forever. Rastafari.
Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Every heart carry a light, every soul have a story. No matter how dark the night become, keep shining. One love. One love. Me wake up in the morning a calling, see the first light touch the sky, feel the blessing of another day, and give thanks before me rise. Me know life bring many lessons, some are easy, some are hard, but the strength we find within us is the greatest gift we got. Me have walked through many valleys, seen the rain fall upon the ground, but every time me thought me lost, a new direction could be found. Me carry dreams inside me spirit, like a flame that never dies, with determination as me compass, and hope as me guide. When the world try make you question if your journey worth the fight, remember deep inside your heart there is always in a light. When the road become uncertain and the future hard to see, trust the power that lives within you. Trust the person you can be. The light within still shining bright in my soul. Through the storms and through the changes, it keep me strong and whole. The light within nobody can take away. It guide me through the darkness and bring hope into the day. Hey. Keep believing, keep on rising, let your spirit always glow. Every heart has hidden power, every soul has room to grow. Me see the people in all the struggle, still them find a reason smile, walking forward with courage even after many miles. Me see the dreamers with ambition, holding visions in them eyes, knowing every great achievement starts with someone willing to try. Me see the elders with experience, sharing wisdom from the years, teaching patience and forgiveness, helping others face their fears. Me see the families together, standing strong through every test, showing love and understanding, giving each other strength and rest. When the reggae drums start beating and the bass line start to flow, feel the spirit of the rhythm, feel the positive energy grow. Every song become a message, every melody a prayer, every voice can bring some comfort when somebody needs some care. From the island to the world now, let the vibration rise high, let the sound of peace and unity travel
underneath the sky. They stand beneath the stars at midnight, watching moonlight on the sea, thinking about the many blessings and the person me was meant to be. Every mistake became a lesson, every challenge made me strong. Every step along the journey helped me find where me belong. So me walk into tomorrow with gratitude and respect, knowing every brand new sunrise bring another chance to connect. Like the candle in a darkness, me will keep the flame alive. Like the bird above the mountains, me will keep learning to fly. Like the tree that face the weather and still reach toward the sun. Me believe that every dreamer has a victory to come. Let the children find their purpose, let them follow what is true. Let the world be filled with kindness in everything we do. The light within still burning every day, through the sunshine and the rainfall, it will never fade away. The light within forever in my heart. Every ending bring a blessing, every finish bring a start. With your love beside me always, and hope leading the way, me will keep the light shining every single day. Yeah, yeah, light shining, heart healing, spirit rising, keep the fire alive. One love forever. Rastafari.
Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Oh, when the night is over, a new day must come. Open your eyes, feel the morning light. One love. Me hear the birds singing in the distance as the first sunlight touch the ground. Feel the breeze carrying a message like a blessing coming around. Me give thanks for another morning, for the chance we live and learn. Every day bring new possibilities, every page of a new turn. Me have walked through many seasons, through the fire and through the rain, but me never let this struggle take away me hope again. Because the heart that keep believing can find strength in the fight. Even when the road get darker, there is always morning light. When you feel like you're losing direction and you don't know where to go, listen to the voice within you, let your inner wisdom flow. When the world bring disappointment and the pressure feels so strong, remember every sunrise promise that a new day won't be long. The morning light shining over we today, bringing hope and bringing healing, showing us another way. The morning light breaking through the darkest night, giving courage to the dreamers, giving us a reason bright. Oh, keep on walking, keep believing, let the spirit never fall. With your love beside we can rise above it all. Hey, me see the people in the streets now, oh, working hard to build a dream.
carrying hopes inside them hearts. Even when life not what it seems, me see the hands that help another without asking for reward. Showing kindness is a treasure more valuable than gold. Me see the children full of laughter, running freely in the sun, dreaming of a better future where peace and love can overcome. Me see the elders with their stories, full of knowledge from before, sharing lessons of compassion, opening another door. When the reggae drum start beating and the bass line start to roll, feel the vibration of the music touching every human soul. Every rhythm carry hope now, every melody bring peace, every song can join the people and help the suffering cease. From the islands to the cities, from the valleys to the sea, let the sound of love and unity bring the world together free. Oh, me watch the sunset in the evening, and me think about the way all the blessings that surround me, all the lessons from each day. Me no fear the road before me, cause me know me not alone. Every step me take with patience, every seed of faith me sown. So me choose to spread compassion, choose forgiveness over pride, choose to walk with love and kindness, with just spirit as me guide. Like the flower reaching sunlight, like the river finding sea, every soul has hidden beauty, every heart can still be free. Like the tree that faces the weather and continue to survive, keep the fire of hope burning, keep the dream alive. Let the world be filled with kindness, let the children learn to care, let the future shine much brighter with love everywhere. The morning light still shining from above, filling hearts with new beginnings, filling souls with endless love. The morning light will guide us through the way, through the storms and through the changes. We will find a brighter day with your love inside we spirit and the rhythm in our heart. Every sunrise is reminder, we can always make a start. Yeah, yeah. Morning rising, hope returning, heart believing, feel the light, one love forever. Rastafari.
Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Yeah. From the earth we rise, through the storm we survive. Roots deep, heart strong, one love. Me walk through the morning with gratitude inside, feeling the blessing that Jah provide. The road been long and the journey been rough, but me learn that faith is always enough. Me remember the days when the sky wasn't bright, when me had to search for a little light. But every struggle that came my way made me stronger for another day. Me see the trees standing tall in the field, through wind and rain it refused to heal. Nature teach me a powerful truth, strength can grow from the deepest roots. So me hold on tight to the dreams me carry, even when the burden feel heavy to carry. Because every seed planted with care can become something beautiful and rare. But the road get rocky beneath your feet, and the journey feel
incomplete. Remember the roots beneath the ground that keep you standing strong and sound. When the storm clouds go over the sky and you wonder if dreams can fly, keep the hope burning in your chest. Trust your timing and do your best. Your roots keep growing deep beneath the earth. Through every season we discover our worth. The roots keep growing stronger every day. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, we find another way. No wind can break us,
No storm can make us fall.
okay. With love and faith inside us,
We can overcome it all.
yeah. Me see the farmer planting in the morning, working hard while the new day dawning, patiently waiting for the harvest come, knowing every seed need time in the sun. Me see the mother giving love and care, teaching children to be honest and fair. Me see the elders sharing their wisdom, passing down lessons from generation to generation. Me see the youth them chasing ambition, building tomorrow with determination. Every dreamer have a story to tell, every heart have a place to dwell. When people stand together as one, like rivers joining under the sun, nothing can stop the power we create. When love and unity open the gate, when the reggae drums start beating and the bass line start moving slow, feel the spirit of the ancestors. Feel the energy begin to grow. Every melody carry a message, every rhythm carry a flame. Every song remind the people that hope will always remain. From the Caribbean shores to the world, let the positive vibration unfurl. Let every nation hear the sound of love and peace all around. Me stand beneath the evening sunset, watching the colors paint the sky, thinking about the road behind me and the reasons me still try. Every mistake became a teacher, every failure became a guide. Every challenge that came before me helped me reach the other side. Now me walk with a peaceful spirit, with forgiveness in my heart, knowing every brand new morning is another chance to start. Like the roots beneath the mountain, like the ocean never still, we will keep moving forward with determination and will. Like the flame inside the darkness, like the stars that always shine, me believe in better moments and the power of divine. Let the children grow with courage, let them dream and let them rise. Let them see the endless possibilities waiting beyond the skies. The roots keep growing deep inside our soul. Through the changes and the seasons, we become complete and whole. The roots keep growing forever, strong and free, carrying love and wisdom for generations yet to see. Through the struggle, through the victory, through the laughter and the pain, we keep growing with Jah blessing again and again.